वेलकम टू माय स्टडी चैनल। फ्रेंड्स, हमारा आज का टॉपिक है कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ सोशल अकाउंटिंग एमसीक्यूज। दिस टॉपिक इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द JKSSB पंचायत अकाउंट्स असिस्टेंट जॉब्स प्रिपरेशन। सो फ्रेंड्स, विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज विच अकाउंटिंग कॉन्सेप्ट सेटिस्फाई द वैल्यूएशन क्राइटेरिया। Here option A is the right answer, that is going concern realization cost. Going concern realization cost concept satisfy the valuation criteria. So next question is, in which of the following cases accounting estimates are needed? Here A is implies benefit schemes, B is impairment of losses, C is inventory obsolescence. Here आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव। यानी कि इन्वेंट्री ऑफ सोल्सेंस, इम्पेयरमेंट ऑफ लॉसेज और इम्प्लाइज बेनिफिट स्कीम जो है, ये तीनों के तीनों क्या है, अकाउंटिंग एस्टिमेट्स आर नीडेड। यानी कि ये तीनों के तीनों जो अकाउंटिंग एस्टिमेट्स हैं वो नीडेड है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, दिवाली एडवांस गिवन टू एन एम्प्लॉय इज। Diwali advance given to an employee is A is revenue expenditure, B is capital expenditure, C is deferred revenue expenditure, and D is not an expenditure. Here answer is not an expenditure. Diwali advance given to an employee is option D is the right answer, that is not an expenditure. Next question is, the process of recording financial data up to trial balances. The process of recording financial data up to trial balance is, here option A is the right answer, that is bookkeeping. The process of recording financial data up to trial balance is option A is the right answer, that is bookkeeping. The process of recording financial data up to trial balance is, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, bookkeeping. Next question is, in income measurement and recognition of assets and liabilities. In income measurement and recognition of assets and liabilities, which of the following concepts goes together? Here A is periodicity accrual matching, B is cost accrual matching, C is going concern cost realization, C is interpretation means. Here answer is option A, that is periodicity accrual matching. In income measurement and recognition of assets and liabilities, periodicity accrual matching जो है concept goes together. ये तीनों के तीनों जो concept हैं goes together. Next question is, interpretation means. क्या होता है interpretation का means? Here A option is the right answer, that is explanation of meaning and significance of the data in financial statements. Interpretation means explanation of meaning and significance of data in financial statements. Next question is, which of the following is wrong? Nominal accounts are transferred to P&L account. B is each account is opened separately in ledger. C is rent is a personal account. Outstanding rent is a nominal account. D is all real and personal accounts are transferred to balance sheet. इसने पूछा है कि इसमें से जो है रॉन्ग कौन सा है। A is nominal accounts are transferred to P&L account, ये सही है। Each account is opened separately in ledger, ये भी सही है। Rent is a personal account. Outstanding rent is nominal account, so this is false. Next question is, dash is root cause for financial accounting. Here option A is stewardship accounting. Stewardship accounting is a root cause for financial accounting. This is the right answer. Stewardship accounting is a root cause for financial accounting. Friends, this question is important. Option A is the right answer. Next question is, if nothing is given in the financial statements about the three accounting assumptions. If nothing is given in the financial statements about the three accounting assumptions, then it is to be treated as it. A is assumed that it is not followed. B is assumed to be followed. Friends, here option B is the right answer, that is, if nothing is given in the financial statements about the three accounting assumptions, then it is to be treated as it is assumed to be followed. Option B is the right answer. Next question is, the properties of the business is treated as a credit for the capital introduced by him due to dash concept. The properties of the business is treated as catered for the capital introduced by him due to dash concept. A is entity, B is cost, C is dowel aspect and D is money measurement. Here option A is the right answer, that is entity. फ्रेंड्स आपको ये क्वेश्चंस जो है 2-3 बार रिवाइज करने पड़ेंगे. मैं जो है इसको जो है फिर भी कोशिश कर रहा हूँ रिवाइज करने की, बट उससे क्या होता है कि वीडियो थोड़ी सी लंबी हो जाती है. ठीक है. सो फ्रेंड्स आप जो है इन क्वेश्चंस को 2-3 बार रिवाइज पक्का करना. द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द बिजनेस इज ट्रीटेड एज कैटेड टू द फॉर द कैपिटल इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय हिम ड्यू टू एंटिटी कॉन्सेप्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फिक्स्ड एसेट्स आर हेल्ड बाय बिजनेस फॉर डैश. फिक्स्ड एसेट्स आर हेल्ड बाय बिजनेस फॉर A is converting into cash, B is generating revenue, C is release and D is none of the above. Fixed assets are held by business for B option is the right answer, that is generating revenue. जो fixed assets होते हैं are held by business for generating revenue. So option B is the right answer. Next question is which accounting concept specifies the practice of crediting closing stock to the trading account. Which accounting concept specifies the practice of crediting closing stock to the trading account? Here A is cost, B is realization, C is matching and D is going concern. Which accounting concept specifies the practice of crediting closing stock to the trading account? Here matching concept specifies the practice of crediting closing stock. So option C is the right answer. Next question is amount spent to increase the earning capacity in a dash expenditure. Amount spent to increase the earning capacity in a capital expenditure. ठीक है. जो अमाउंट होता है उसे स्पेंड किया जाता है टू इंक्रीज द अर्निंग कैपेसिटी इन अ कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर. सो हेयर ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज चेंज इन द कैपिटल अकाउंट ऑफ propertier may occur due to. Change in the capital account of proprietor may occur due to dash. Here A is profit earned, B is loss incurred, C is capital introduced and D is all of the above. Friends, here answer is all of the above. Once again the question is change in the capital account of proprietor may occur due to. Here A is profit earned, B is loss incurred, C is capital introduced. Here answer is option D, that is all of the above. ठीक है. आगे जो है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज consistency with reference to application of accounting procedures mean. Consistency with reference to application of accounting procedures mean. Consistency with reference to application of accounting procedures mean क्या मीनिंग होता है उसका? Accounting method and procedures shall be followed uniform basis year after year. फिर देखते हैं consistency with reference to application of accounting procedures mean. Option C is the right answer, that is accounting methods and procedures shall be followed uniform basis after year. Friends, option C is the right answer. Friends, if you want to revise another options you can revise. Next question is if one of the cars purchased by a car dealer is used for business purpose instead of resale, then it should recorded by. देखो, if one of the cars purchased by car dealer is used for business purpose instead of resale, then it should recorded by. Here A is Dr. Motor car account and credit परचेजेज अकाउंट. ठीक है. यहाँ पे जो क्या लिखा हुआ है डेबिटर मोटर कार अकाउंट एंड क्रेडिटर परचेजेज अकाउंट. ठीक है. यहाँ पे DR जो है डेबिटर मोटर कार्स अकाउंट एंड क्रेडिट टू परचेजेज अकाउंट. सो दिस इज द राइट आंसर. फ्रेंड्स, वंस अगेन इफ वन ऑफ द कार्स परचेज्ड बाय कार डीलर इज यूज्ड for business purpose instead of release, then it should recorded by debtor motor cars account and creditor जो है वो कौन है? purchases account. Next question is if bags are paid for construction of business. इफ वेज आर पेड फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ बिजनेस प्रीमाइजेज डैश अकाउंट इज क्रेडिटेड। यहाँ पे बोल रहा है कि इफ वेज आर पेड फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ बिजनेस प्रीमाइजेज डैश अकाउंट इज क्रेडिटेड। हियर आंसर इज कैश कामा प्रीमाइजेज। ठीक है, कैश प्रीमाइजेज जो अकाउंट है वो क्या होगा, क्रेडिटेड होगा। सो ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज विल नॉट अपीयर इन द बैलेंस शीट अकॉर्डिंग टू A is accrual, B is going concern, C is money measurement concept. Here answer is money measurement concept. Once again the question is, this question is important. Human resources will not appear in the balance sheet according to, human resources will not appear in the balance sheet according to money measurement concept. जो money measurement concept है उसके अनुसार क्या होता है, human resources will not appear in the balance sheet. Next question is, provision for discount on debtor, provision for discount on debtor is calculated on the amount of debtors. Provision for discount on debtors is calculated on the amount of debtors. Here option A is the right answer, that is after deducting provision for doubtful debits. Provision for discount on debtors is calculated on the amount of debtors. Here A is after deducting provisions for doubtful debits. Next question is, which of the following is not a real account? Friends, this question is important. Which of the following is not a real account? Here A is outstanding rent account, B is purchases account, C is cash account, D is investment account. Here answer is outstanding rent account. ठीक है, जो रेंट हम लेते हैं वो जो है रेंट का जो अकाउंट है वो किसी भी रियल अकाउंट में नहीं आता वो। ठीक है, सो आंसर इज आउटस्टैंडिंग रेंट अकाउंट। आउटस्टैंडिंग रेंट अकाउंट इज नॉट अ रियल अकाउंट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज इनकरेक्ट? ए इज गुडविल इंटेंजिबल एसेट, गुडविल इंटेंजिबल एसेट, बी इज लूज टूल्स टेंजिबल फिक्स्ड एसेट, सी इज outstanding expenses current asset. है ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर, दैट इज आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंसेस किस में आते हैं, करंट एसेट में आते हैं। सो दिस इज द राइट आंसर। फ्रेंड्स, टुडे वी हैव डन 20 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। आई होप आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा। हालांकि इसमें जो है क्वेश्चंस जो है इतने ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट भी नहीं है, बट फिर भी पॉसिबिलिटी बनती है कि हो सकता है एक आध क्वेश्चन रिपीट हो जाए। सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो फ्रेंड्स। प्रिपेयर वेल, परफॉर्म वेल। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक जो हमारा रहेगा वो रहेगा कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ सोशल अकाउंटिंग पार्ट 2। फ्रेंड्स, आपको एक बार बताऊं कि अगर आप मेरे चैनल के ऊपर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि आने वाला हर वीडियो आपके पास सबसे पहले पहुंचे। फ्रेंड्स, कुछ ही दिनों में हम जो है ये जो पंचायत अकाउंट असिस्टेंट का सिलेबस है ये कंप्लीट करने वाले हैं। उसके बाद में हम रिवीजन जो है डेली रूटीन बेसिस पर रिवीजन करेंगे। सो फ्रेंड्स, थैंक्स वंस अगेन, बाय बाय, गुड नाइट।